Hello, students. As you know, we have started a new topic, reaching to the age of adolescence. And yesterday we have, presented the introduction about the new topic. So today, let's talk about puberty. What is puberty, and what kind of change takes place during puberty? And as we have discussed yesterday about the adolescence, what is the adolescent period, what are the different development growth stages of a human being right from its birth. So what is adolescence? As I told you about it yesterday, let me give you a superficial definition of adolescence. Adolescence is the period of life when the body undergoes rapid growth, uh, leading to reproductive maturity. This is the definition of adolescence. Okay, my dear student. Then we have another term, that is puberty. So what is puberty? Puberty क्या है? Puberty, and let me remind you one more thing. The adolescence period or teenage starts from 11 to 19 years, and some books shows 12 to 20 years. You may find difference, in different books. So in our 8th class book, it shows 11 to 19 years. And one more thing, uh, girls, attain this age early than the boys. So puberty, the period of adolescence during which adolescent reaches sexual maturity. वो पीरियड जब कि एक एडोलसेंस सेक्सुअल मैच्योरिटी उसमें आ जाती है, सेक्सुअली वो मैच्योर हो जाता है एंड ही इज एबल टू हैव चिल्ड्रन. दैट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ प्यूबर्टी. क्या प्यूबर्टी क्या है? ये वो स्टेज है जब एक टीन एजर एडोलसेंट जब ये सेक्सुअली मैच्योर होता है, ये इस काबिल होता है कि उसके बच्चे हो सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो during puberty, lot of changes takes place in an individual. For example, the first change which observe is that is the change in height. Change in height during puberty. Uh, these adolescents, these teenagers, they attain maximum height as their long bones like these arm bones, these leg bones, femur, you know, it elongates. It elongates. And one more thing you have to remember: girls grow faster than boys. So this was the first change, that is change in height. And at this stage, these adolescents show tremendous increase in height. Second thing is that is change in body shape. You know, now their body attains a special, shape. For example, in boys, these shoulders they broadness, they become broad, uh, and their muscles show prominent growth. And in girls, in girls, the waist, waist size, it becomes wider. Below the waist, the region becomes wider. Okay. Um, Another point is, so we have studied increase in height and change in body shape. Third, we have sweat and sebaceous glands. Sweat and sebaceous glands, and you can see them oil glands. You know, these glands begins to function, and due to their increasing activity, they secrete lot of oil, you know And due to this, you can see these acne pimples on the face of a adolescent at this stage. You may also, you see this change. And due to increased activity of sebaceous and sweat glands, so you can see acne and pimples on the face of adolescent. And with the passage of time, when you cross that stage, then automatically they become clear. Okay. And third one is that is sorry, fourth one is that is uh, sexual organs. At this stage, the sexual organs in boys, the sexual organs like testes, penis, uh, they, develop completely, and testes starts to produce sperm. In girls, uh, ovaries become enlarged, and eggs becomes to mature, and the once the eggs are mature, then the female releases egg, one egg every month. Okay. Then we have change in voice. During puberty, we have seen that there is change in voice, especially in boys. The voice become hoarse due to the elongation of this voice box. Adam's apple, we can say, sometimes it protrudes outside, and in girls, the voice becomes shrill. The voice becomes shrill, but in boys, the voice becomes hoarse. But after some time, means 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, it becomes normal. Okay, so there is no need to worry about the voice change. Then we have secondary sexual characters. Sexual characters, so there is, appearance of beard and mustaches, and appearance of, just here in boys, and in pubic regions in girls, there is, you know, breast development is there, and also there is, here in pubic region. So these are the changes which takes place at the time of puberty. Okay. So now you may be able to write these pointers one by one. So what kind of change takes place during this period? There is increase in height, there is voice change, there is you know development of sex organs, there is you know appearance of secondary sexual characters, activity of activity increasing activity of sebaceous and sweat gland. Thank you.